as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ordered, Prithivite ache jato nagarabija. Throughout the whole world, as many villages and towns are there, these Sankirtan movements should be introduced. And especially in India, because if in India the people are generally Krishna conscious, by artificial means they are trying to forget. This is the position. This should be stopped. They have got natural tendency for becoming Krishna conscious. Therefore, in these days, still so many hundreds and thousands of people coming to Vrindavan to relish the transcendental mellow of Krishna consciousness.